Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically, and today I'm going to be showcasing, I guess, the right and wrong way to do a wing liner for mature, hooded, or crepey skinned eyes. If you have any of those three, you know the struggle is real. I have been doing my wing liner a certain way for, I don't know, my whole life. But now as I'm getting older, I have to change up my technique because I have no intention of stopping my wing look. I love that mid-century pinup girl look, and I will probably do it until my final days. But as I age, as I get older, I'm going to have to switch up my technique a little bit. Now, to create this Thanksgiving-friendly, warm-toned look, I used the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I love this palette. There are colors in here for every occasion, for every time of year. There's cool tones, warm tones, shimmers. It's just magnificent. You have highlighter shades in here, lots of mattes. It's absolutely divine. I did not buy the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. I will, but I didn't buy it yet because, to be quite honest with you, I wanted all the kids to buy it first. You know, there are some kids who've been Shane Dawson fans for a very long time and Jeffree Star fans, and they really, really wanted this collaboration. So I sort of stepped back and let the kids buy their palette, and I'll wait for the restock, but I'm certainly going to buy it. It looks bomb, and I can't wait to own it. But until then, I have lovely Jeffree Star products. I used Cone in the crease as a transition shade. I used Tasty in the outer corners. I used Orange Juice in the inner corners of my eye. I used Jawbreaker to highlight my brow bone. And I'm actually wearing a Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Pumpkin Pie, which is my absolute favorite shade of his. I absolutely adore it, and I've been wearing it so much. Without further ado, I'm going to attempt to show you how I've been doing this new winged eyeliner technique. Now, this is a strong wing. This is not a wing for the faint of heart. This is not, you know, maybe everyone's cup of tea, but it is my aesthetic. It is my favorite look to do. No matter what color eyeshadow I put on, I always like to accent it with a wing. And I have been experimenting with new techniques now. As I'm getting older, I'm adapting to the changes in my complexion. Using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, I'm going to do my wing the old way on my left eye, and then I'm going to go over here and do the new Aging Ethically 2.0 wing on this side. See how my lid is really hooded right there and kind of crepey? I used to like to go right underneath that. And that would pretty much be my first initial line. As you can see, oh gosh, it succumbs to the crepe in the hood, and a little bit down, not quite to the edge, a little bit down from the tip, I will go ahead and create the top line. Dip again. I need to buy a new one of these. Nowadays, I try to use every single ounce and bit of my makeup before I buy a new one. So things get a little, like, you know, old and crusty sometimes, but I'm going to keep using it until I run out. In my opinion, cute, not bad, wearable. You know, does it really accentuate or bring my eyelid up? Not really. I just liked it because it's safely kind of nestled underneath all of this crepey skin activity right here. And in my mind, if you weren't looking at the folds of the crepey skin on my liner, then I was doing a good job. But I've been playing around with this new technique where I'm going to embrace my hooded eyes. Yet I want to create like an elongated cat wing. And that's what this look is all about. You want the eye to look uplifted and you want it to look cute and youthful. Whereas here, I don't think it looks bad. I just don't think it's really creating an uplifting effect. It looks like I'm just kind of like dodging the issue here. So I'm going to show you guys how I have been doing my makeup for the past couple weeks actually. Now it's very important if you have hooded eyes to look directly ahead into your mirror, not to look down at a mirror down here or to look up or to pull your skin, because then once, let's say you put the eyeliner on and you pull your skin tight and then you let it go, and you know, common sense will tell you that that's not a good way to achieve a crisp line. So having said that, you want to embrace the imperfections, I guess, in your hooded or mature skin or your creased or your crepey eyes. Now I'm looking straight ahead at my Jeffree Star mirror. First initial line, not too different from that one, although this one's coming up more as opposed to this one's going out more. However, that second line, that's going right over one of my major creases right there. I'm going right over it. I drew right over one of those major lines of demarcation, and that is creating a little bit of a gap right there, which we're going to take care of in a moment. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and fill in that little triangle right there. Going straight, I want to describe that as going straight down this way and not all the way across. Ooh, almost dropped my eyeliner. I'm creating an uplifting illusion. Oh, I love it so much. I'm going to let this eyeliner dry for just a moment, but as you can see, looking straight ahead, so I have created the illusion of a youthful cat eye. Whereas on this side, I mean, it kind of looks cute, but when you look closely, it's just, I don't know, it's not really like hiding anything. If anything, if you look closely, it actually like accentuates the situation more than it complements my eyes, if I'm being honest. Whereas on this side, I feel like a proper pinup cat wing eye. I feel youthful, I feel uplifted, and it just feels right. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of black shadow, and now I'm just going to kind of smoke out right here where there's like that little indentation, if you will. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I've been experimenting with new makeup techniques, obviously. This might be one of my last warmer tone looks as we head in toward Christmas. I like to do more cooler tones and whatnot, saying goodbye maybe to the pumpkin-y shades and the warm tones that I've loved so much in the past few months. I hope you guys had a lovely Thanksgiving with your friends and family, or maybe you're like me and you spend Thanksgiving alone because of your work schedule. I spent time with my friends right before Thanksgiving, so I got to see everyone, and I will see them again. But, you know, it was a nice, quiet Thanksgiving with my two doggies, and we had a great time. Keep playing with makeup, guys. Keep it vegan and cruelty-free. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah. You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.